Admin Tools from Akiba installs like any WordPress plugin. To begin, go to the akibabackup.com website and click on the download link. If you have subscribed to the professional version, please make sure that you log in first. Now, if you scroll down past the backup products to the security products, you'll see the link to download Admin Tools to your computer. Once that is downloaded, go to your WordPress website and then go to Plugins, Add New. Click on the Upload Plugin button and then browse to the file that you just downloaded. Click on the Install Now button and Admin Tools will be installed. Once Admin Tools has been installed, don't forget to activate the plugin. You will see two messages. The second says that the plugin has been activated, but the first says that Admin Tools is not yet protecting your site and you must run the quick setup wizard. To do that, simply click on the link. The first part of the setup is the administrator security. The first option is to add additional password protection before you can access the WordPress login. If you want to know more about this, then see the later video protecting your WordPress website. So I'm going to type in my name for the username, and for the password I will use a complex password, one that I'm not using for the WordPress website. The next option decides if you want an email sent on every attempted login to your administrator. It's up to you. You might want to experiment with this for a while before deciding if you want to keep this feature on or not. We now reach the basic security settings. Obviously, we want to enable the web application firewall. IP workarounds is a complex technical thing. All you need to know is whatever the recommended setting for your site is what you should set. Now we want to decide, do we want to block repeat offenders on your site? And I would assume that would be a yes. And now the email address that you want security exceptions to be sent to. Now we get to the advanced security settings. Project Honeypot is an external service. You can find more information about it by clicking on this link. If you decide to sign up for it, you need to enter the key here. Now we come to the most important part, creating a secure htaccess file. An htaccess file is a special file that runs on your web server that will help to protect your website. However, in some circumstances it may block you out of your website. So before you enable this and press save, I strongly recommend that you open up these links in a new browser so that you have all the information to hand should anything go wrong. Because I have set the password protect administrator option, as soon as I save this configuration, a login box will pop up that I need to complete before I can get back in. So just make sure that you have a copy of that password. As you can see, the pop-up has appeared, so I enter my username and password. Admin Tools has now been installed. If you're using the professional version, you will see this box asking you for your download ID. This is required in order for you to receive updates to the program. Return to the Akiba website, make sure you are logged in and go to My Subscriptions. If you scroll down, you will find your download ID. Simply select it and copy it. Return to your website and paste it in and click Apply Download ID. We now have a message about updating a GeoIP database. This provides some additional information on the geographic location of a user's IP address. So just go ahead and update the country database. You have now successfully installed Admin Tools, and I recommend that you follow the remaining videos to find out more about the features of Admin Tools to protect your website.